guys, we have the bonus, and we got the 3 buzzsaw bonus, and we spun the wheel and got mansion feature. Sorry, I just started taking it. I am on penny denom, $2.25 line bet, which I think is like 3 times the minimum line bet, I think. So let's see what we can get in here. Let me try to shrink it to get the full. We need re-triggers, and we need to cover the whole board with mansion. I hope so for all of us. We'll see. Oh no, no more of those. Come on, come on. Catch up, catch up. Re-trigger, re-trigger. Ha, 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 ha. Oh. She spoke too soon. I don't like that. Sorry guys, my machine doesn't have any sound either. So let's see. He's gonna huff, and he's gonna puff, and he's gonna blow all them damn mansions down to unveil grand. Grand, 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 grand. Alright, I'm not mad at none of that. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I am saying. Alright, Wolfie, you did it this time. You did it. You did your thing. Alright, I'm going to cut short because there's no sound. So might as well. I'm going to do my backup spin. And last one.